Hello viewers, this is IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning Tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to clear search history from Windows 11 computer. Sometimes it become very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To clear search history from Windows 11 computer, click on Start menu. Now click on Settings. In Find Settings, type search. Click on Cloud Search Settings. Now scroll down. You will find a button, Clear Device Search History. Click on Clear Device Search History and then turn off search history on this device. Now close settings. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.